Okay. So now it's 36 degrees, 35% humidity. Last night it got down to 19 degrees, and my neighbor didn't even bring in his beautiful black lab. Let's go take a look and see how he's doing here. Hey, Bozer. How's that big Bo doing? Yeah? Yeah, you poor thing. You're cold, ain't you? Yeah? You're cold. Have to stay out here in that 4-foot by 12-foot kennel all night long when it's 19 degrees because your owner doesn't care about you at all, yet he calls himself a big duck hunter. And this is the thanks that he gives towards his dog. We heard you barking and crying last night. And this is all the protection that you have, is this little plastic igloo. And look at your poor water. It's just frozen solid. Yeah, Bo, huh? You cold, isn't you? Yeah, that poor Bozers. Yeah, what's wrong with your owner, huh? Leave you out here all night in the cold? Yeah, it's so sad. Feel so sorry for you. I left him a note last night asking him to please bring you in, and he didn't even do it because he's a coward. He's a coward because he doesn't care about his dog. He's so inhumane. It's just a shame that you have to endure that night after night after night. Especially in 19-degree weather. It's just a shame that you have to endure that. You're a beautiful black lab. Huh, Bo? What he's saying, what did I do to deserve this, Bruce? You didn't do anything, Bo. It's due to the stupidity of your owner. While he sits in his beautiful, nice, warm house, you have to stay out here and freeze. Yeah, huh, Bo? Yeah. You're such a loving dog, too. Yeah. Just makes me so mad. I just want to go over there and yank his ass out of his house and strip his damn clothes off and put his ass in this kennel and lock the door. See how that piece of shit likes it. Yeah, you didn't deserve this, Bo. No dog deserves that. Look at hardly any protections, all open up to the elements. No top on it, nothing. Water's frozen solid. Can't even get a drink of water. Oh, Bo. Yeah, you're a good dog. You didn't deserve this. Look it. Can't even drink my water. It's just frozen solid. Yeah. That poor Bo. Yeah, I feel so sorry for you. You didn't deserve this, buddy. You're a good dog. Yeah, you're a good dog. But you got a bad owner. Piece of shit owner that doesn't give a shit about nothing but himself. And he's Mr. Big Duck Hunter. Any hunter knows that you have to cherish and protect your dog from the elements. But not him. He's a damn dumbass. Yeah. He's saying, yeah, you guys are so lucky you get to go inside every night, and I have to stay out here and freeze my ass off every night in the winter time. And this is just day one. Yeah, the saga will continue.